Hello everyone, today we'll do this middle split and how to stretch for this split. I will show you now some exercises which help you to do that. Stay with me and I will show you how to do that. First, what you're starting to do, we will get sitting this side and starting to work and take it 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, after this, take 2 legs together and starting to pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly take leg on ourselves and slowly open our legs. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And let's change our leg. Slowly on ourselves and open our hip. 2, 3 and 4. Okay, after that, we'll try to take our legs and try to keep the balance. When you feel that you sit in this position, try take strong your legs. And if you sit good in that position, we will try slowly open and sit in this side. Amazing work. Take 2 legs together, slowly breathe out and go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope you to like and subscribe me, and bye bye.